Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through how to refund a Steam game. First, the game must have been purchased within the last 14 days. Second, you must have played the game for less than 2 hours. If both of these conditions are met, then you should be able to request a refund. To start, open the Steam app on your computer. Look at the top left corner. Click on the button that says Help. In the menu that opens, click on Steam Support. Now, you will see different support options. From here, click on the option called Purchases. You will now see a list of your recent purchases on Steam. Find the game you want to refund. In this example, we'll use The Division 2. Click on it. Next, you'll be asked what issue you are having with this purchase. From the list of options, click on I'd like a refund. After that, click on I'd like to request a refund. Steam will now check if you are eligible for a refund. If you meet the two conditions mentioned earlier, bought the game within 14 days and played it less than 2 hours, then you should be able to continue. Next, you'll be asked where you want the refund to go. You can choose to have the money sent back to your original payment method, like your card, or you can choose to have it added to your Steam wallet. Once you're done, scroll down and click the button that says Submit Request. After that, your refund request will be sent to Steam. You should get an email shortly to confirm your request. If the request is approved, the money will be refunded soon. And that's it. That's how you can refund a game on Steam. Thanks for watching.